In this video I am trying to get somebody else to accept my trade for once in a lifetime. So I will really just do, I want to try to find somebody with a headdress and trade for my best things for it. But I already know that this is gonna be that these are really bad trades, so you do not spam me in the comments that this is a bad trade, okay guys? You can get those one. Those looks like you can borrow that. Huh? No, Jesus, you don't have a headdress. Nor anything better, but sometimes I just like see something really good and I already know that my luck is really bad. So sometimes don't expect me to be real bad at trading. So anyway guys, let's start this video, and I am gonna try and do random stuff, okay? But not too random. Okay, I want something there. I want the headdress. Come back up. Okay. And I seriously don't know if these are fair trades. And oh yeah, my top hat. Done. No, she wouldn't accept anyway. Me. I do, but I'm not trading it. 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 Plus 12 of me. Seriously, I'd rather have. I'd seriously would rather have my head taken off. But if I actually get a headdress, no, I am recording this. Okay guys, so anyway, and that this is gonna be a pretty tough thing to do, so for one, so many people spam me. Okay, hit on photo. Okay, she's still my buddy. I hate it when people unbuddy you. No. Sorry sis, I'm really just trying to concentrate. Right here now. No thanks. That's a rare item Monday now, isn't it? And I don't like them. Wolverine. People say that the rare orange beards are the rarest, and I said about Scullies, and then this really unbeaten Arctic Wolf said, no, you get the point. And I was like, what the hell? It is. And I was like, okay, that's it. I'm leaving. I can say, that's my name. Got 15 subs. 15 subs. 15 subs. And I don't know why do I have 15 subs, because I'm really bad at making videos. So anyway, update video, guys. So I've done this like a million times, haven't I? Haven't I? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. So yeah, and it's I don't know. Just wasting my time doing nothing other than that rustic land, and I want it. Sorry. I seriously need my gems. And sorry, Fox. Okay, you're the silly item. I do not care. Oh, sorry, guys. I really don't feel like doing this. Okay, snap out of it. Snap out of it. Snap out of it. So I don't want that. I don't want this. This is like the recycling spree. I don't really like the snake variant anymore. So where do I go again? Shop. Oh, I wonder what's here. Haven't been here for like ages. Medical center. Oh, they have pretty nice things. I love it. I love them. Out of all the things that I really could love, I really like their. Where the hell is it? These, the arm brace. The arm brace is so cool. So I got the gems now. Oh, actually. You gotta. No, I got any glasses? In fact, yes, I do. LOL. What? I'm spamming with question marks. Corrupting Celestians. I am recording for no reason. Oh no thanks, oh no thanks. See of my body. Dutch meat, nice, no meat, Dutch. LOL. Miss meat, Dutch meat, Miss Snow meets Miss meet Snow. Sis meets Snow. Hi, I am recording. I'm really getting sick of you. You seriously follow me everywhere, and I never have time to do my things because you always interrupt. And you love that smiley face. Oh, wow. Freedom's so weird. Spread the word. Puppy goes. NP, sis. NP. This. What else did I have? I nearly got the headdress. Yeah, that was this, and then I changed that to that, and then that's that, and then He was just getting confused because of my speaking. I do not blame you because I'm weird. He said that before. I need to listen to something, even if I have to listen to my baby's voice. So, yeah. What the hell am I doing? I am randomly spinning everywhere. So anyway guys, everybody has accepted my trade today. And yes, I am gonna not try again. And I am Phew. Phew. I'm just standing there, but how to stop? If you just take the time to look me in the eyes, we'd fall in love now. We don't really not all into that. Okay, so bye guys. Like, sub, and as always, this is Zenworker. Zeni, you already Zenworky.